I have never seen anyone talking about these apps on the internet before. This app that I'm about to show you will literally pay you $600 today. This app works on both Android and iOS and is available worldwide. Now, you might be thinking this app will ask you for your credit card information or ask you to make an investment upfront. But let me tell you, this app is absolutely free to use and you don't even have to provide your card details to this app. Now let me show you the secret app I am talking about here. I want you to go to your Play Store or App Store and search for Hey Money Crushers. Welcome back. This is Stacy and you are watching Money Crush, where we make your dreams come true. And for today's video, I don't only have one secret app that pays you $600, but two more apps that are not known by anyone and pay you hundreds of dollars for absolutely free. Before we proceed any further, I want you to go and give a thumbs up to this video and hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss out on my future videos. I want you to sit tight and watch this video very carefully, as I have seen a couple of my friends miss out on some steps which resulted in getting no money. But don't you worry, your Stacy is right here with her amazing research, which will help you make $600 in just a moment. Now the first step you need to follow is to go over to paypal.com and create an account if you don't already have one, as this app is going to send you your money in PayPal. Now if you live in a country where PayPal doesn't work, I also have a solution for my money crushers. Just stay tuned. The process of signing up is very simple and only takes a minute. Just press on the sign up button and fill out the necessary details. For the people who are not from the United States or from a country where PayPal doesn't work, you will need a bank account that can accept payments. You can also open a bank account online by just searching for online bank account in my country on Google. With that being said, I'll head over to my computer to show you the second step. Before I show you the secret app that will actually pay you $600 for doing nothing, I want to share two more apps. So in total, I will share 3 apps in this video that will pay you for literally doing nothing. All you need to do is just install them on your phone and you will start getting paid. Let me start with these 2 apps first so that you will start getting paid passively before we move on to our main app, which is going to pay us $600. As I previously stated, these apps are a secret and not known by anyone on this planet. I would really like it if you just keep this secret to yourself. This video is going to be fantastic, so I just want you to stick around till the end. The first site we are going to use is called moneysmsapp.com. As it states here, this app allows you to make money online automatically by receiving SMS generated by their system and customers. Now, how this app will work is, it will start sending you some SMS after you install this on your phone and sign up on it. You don't have to reply to these messages, and you can delete them as soon as you receive them. This app will send you fresh messages every day, and you will get paid for every single message you receive. Now, if you are an iOS user, keep an eye out for our next app, unfortunately, as this app only works on Android. For the people who are concerned about their privacy and security, let me tell you, this app does not read any of your private messages or any other data. You don't ever have to pay for this app as it works for absolutely free. They also have a very nice referral program where you can refer your friends and earn 30% from their earnings. Now if you scroll down a little, you will find some images of how the dashboard and app looks. I just can't wait for you guys to start making money using this app. Now for my iOS users, here is a fantastic app for you. Now, this app works on both Android and iOS, so everyone can make money using this app. The website you need to visit to download this app is called cashmagnetapp.com. So as you can see here, you basically don't need to do anything as this app unites all the best reward programs at once, so this one is going to pay you a lot more than the Money SMS app. As we are moving on from lower to higher, I can't wait to share the app that will pay you your $600 today. You don't even need to perform tasks on this app. You might be working on something or eating your lunch, and this app will keep paying you automatically. After a couple of months of using this app, you will be able to buy a completely new phone that will also work for you around the clock. Earn money by doing nothing with your phone. Absolute passive income. I will give you a secret tip here. Install it on all the devices you have at your home and you will easily triple your income. Again, all of these apps are absolutely free. Now it's time for the star of the night, our greatest, our best and the most amazing app that exists on this planet, which is going to pay you $600 for absolutely free. The name of our secret app is Current. This app will pay you $600 every year just for listening to music. Basically, you can choose your favorite music station and start listening, and start making money just like that. I mean, I'm sure all of you listen to music every day. The difference now will be that you will get paid for every single song you listen. And this was another quick, simple, and easy way to earn real money online. Thanks for watching. This is Stacy, and you're watching Money Crush, where we make your dreams come true. Keep dreaming.